kanina lang, dito napansin mo, no? Yung ginagawa ng corner kay Montiel, no? Parang ini-stretch siya, no? Parang hinihila siya. Dahil marahil, parang namimitig na ito. Parang naninigas na mga muscle nito, eh.
Well, napanggit na nga natin, no? His last fight was in May of last year. Kanya matagal-tagal nang napakante.
Yun ang problema
si
dyan.
Montiel. And it could be that he's tiring out fast here. Because
Good right.
yung timing niya, hindi pa natin nakikita, no? Na consistent yung kanyang rhythm. But again, sasabihin ulit natin, very dangerous one-punch knockout puncher
yes.
si Montiel. So, dapat wag magpabaya. Si Gores, even if he's leading way ahead on points, he cannot afford to relax.
So far, Z Gores has had the better of this fight from what we have observed. Ito po ang moment of truth, the Battle of Cebu here at the Cebu City Sports Center on Jones Avenue or Osmeña Boulevard in Cebu. At kasama po siyempre sa handa nitong napakalaking boxing promotion na ito, ang Ala Boxing Gym, of course headed by that gentleman boxing patron, Mr. Tony Bidoy Aldeguer, and his sons Mike and Jay Aldeguer. Daghang sa yung tulo. Hindi ako yung sigaw sa corner niya. Marita ka ba ako? Ang down ang hinihingi nito.
Tama. At siya yung sinasabi nila, dapat daling niya sa corner. Daling niya sa bandang lubid para hindi makagalaw si Gores.
Pero alam mo, pinakita na ni Z Gores na kaya niyang iwasan, no?
Oo. Iniikutan niya eh.
Nilulusutan niya.
Oo.
Yung trapping.
Excellent footwork.
Good
Gores.
Ay Z Gores. Patuloy na pumupunta sa Z Gores. Ewan ko lang kung pumupunta sa scorecard ng mga judges dahil hindi naman po kami huwes ni Kinito Henson.
Sana naman, ano ha?
Meron lang kami rito. Meron lang kami. Ay Z Gores. Again, nakita po natin dito sa ringside kung paano po sumargo yung pawis sa mukha ni Montiel. And he's breathing through his mouth.
Well, he has been,
Oo, di ba? Nakikita natin eh.
Well, I understand he also had a little difficulty making the weight.
Yes.
So that might be a sign na hindi siya masyadong ensayado rito. Although sinabi niya sa akin, since July of last year, nag-i-ensayo na siya. Ano sabi ko, ang tagal naman nag-ensayo mo dito para sa laban na ito. Matagal kasi nabakante, no? Si Fernando Montiel. But he's a very nice man outside the ring. But Gores, nakausap din natin, ang sabi niya, he is gonna get this for his wife, Duchess. Actually, hindi pa sila kasal, no? But he already has 3 children.
Yes.
Sabi niya, ang promise niya sa akin, no? Kung manalo siya dito, he becomes world champion, magpapakasal na sila.
Alas kayo kay Father Henson. Good combination by Z Gores. Maganda storya nitong si Z at saka yung kanyang may bahay. No? Dahil nagpunta sa mga, good running here by Gores. At kung kakilala sila dyan sa Ala Boxing Gym dahil nagtitraining bilang isang javelin at discus thrower si Duchess. At yun, tuloy-tuloy ang training niya ng dalawa hanggang ngayon.
Meron silang 9-month-old baby boy. Ang pangalan, Z-H-E-Y. A good round, another good round.
Yes.
Z Gores.
Yes.
And he's taking the fight out of Fernando Montiel.
And you can see kung paano po ang appreciation ng Cebuano crowd dito. That was the end of round number 9. Alright, mga kaibigan, papasok na sa round number 10. This was round number 9. Again, Z Gores connecting. Ito sinasabi natin, Z Gores may not have as powerful a punch as Fernando Puchilito Montiel, the champion, but he gets the job done.
Si Jim Rex Haka kanina.
So, nanalo ko yan.
Si Haka po ay nanalo ng WBO Asia Pacific Super Featherweight Championship.
Mabuhay ka, Jim Rex Haka.
7th round technical knockout over Butarbet. Knockout pala yun.
Knockout yun,
Bilangan
dapat
up to
ibilangan
10.
yun. Oo.
Okay. Round number 10 at narinig natin si Edito Villamor, ang trainer ni Gores, sinasabi sa kanya, 2 more rounds. Dali. 3 more rounds. Hindi 2 more. Hindi 2 rounds. May 10, 11, and 12.
Hindi, baka tatapusin sa 11 eh.
Ay, okay.
Ni ano sana, ni Gores.
Ni Gores. Okay.
Alright. Good dig to the body by Z Gores. Not a good right to the draw.
I think it's important for Montiel to just let it all hang out now. No? His title is slipping away. From our unofficial scorecard, he's behind on points. Dapat magpakita na siya dito ng gilas. No? If he's a defending champion, he's got to make sure that he stays champion trying to score a knockout.
Fernando Montiel looks a little confused. Pinito. He probably feels, what am I doing here? This fight should have ended early. But he is the one who's getting tagged.
Parang hindi napapagod si Gores, no? Yung pinakita ni Gores sa round number 1, yan din ang pinapakita ngayon ni Gores sa round number 10.
Montiel trying to deliver the combination, but Juarez comes back.
Gores is smiling it off. Now, I think there's a little tendency now for Gores to become overconfident.
Coast, ano?
Oo.
Hirap yan. Hindi ko pwede.
Huwag siya magpabaya. He cannot afford to be overconfident. He cannot relax. Montiel remains a dangerous
Mama,
match.
tumama si Montiel.
Okay. Teka, okay, this is what I was saying.
Ayun, sa katawan ng buwan.
Oo.
Tumama si Montiel. Tumama sa loob.
Gores is hurt. Gores is hurt.
Zeke Gores had to hang on.
That's right. He's hurt. He's hurt. He's a little glassy-eyed. He's a little glassy-eyed. Okay, 1 point now taken off Gores for holding.
No holding. Okay, got to this.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, huwag siya magpabaya. He
Tinamahan ko
showboated
si Gores, mga kaibigan.
That's right. He showboated a little bit. And now he's paying the price. As I said, very dangerous pa to, si Montiel.
This is
Gores
round
has
number
to
10.
hold.
This is round number 10, mga kaibigan. Palitan na ngayon. Palitan. Good left by Zeke Gores. And Montiel says, let's get it on.
Gores doesn't have his legs. He does not have his legs. A
Oh,
very
that's a big
dangerous
punch by
situation.
Montiel. And a left by Montiel. Zeke Gores has to stay away.
1
Ito,
point.
takbuhan niya muna ito.
1 point was taken away from Gores for holding.
Yes.
He's got to throw that jab and stay away. Montiel is on the attack.
Ayuko muna pare.
Gores is hurt.
Montiel is on the attack. He is on the offensive. He knows that he's got... and there's a slip.
There's a slip.
Fernando Montiel.
That takes away a little bit of his momentum. But Gores has to hold on.
At saka huwag siya tatalikod ng gano'n. Sumigaw ka agad si dito Alabal Villamor. Huwag ka tatalikod. Because Montiel will attack.
Still a lot of time left.
10
10
seconds
second
to go.
warning.
Oh, good right by Zeke Gores.
Gores has recovered. He has recovered.
Oh, good left again by Zeke Gores to end the round. That was a good end para kay Zeke Gores. Although that was also a big round para kay Fernando Montiel, the champion. Remember, this is a 12-rounder. Papasok na tayo sa round 11. Alright mga kaibigan, this is what happened in round number 10. Dito po tinamaan si Zeke Gores. Ayun, kitang-kita natin na ininda ni Zeke Gores yung tamang yon sa bread basket, ano ha? Sa solar plexus palagay. At yun, yung kanan na yon sa mukha. At medyo gumewang po doon si Zeke Gores, but he